Good morning everyone and welcome to the Moongate Antigua February month-end construction update. It's been a very exciting month and indeed a real pleasure to see that our choice of location is historically something of real interest from our neighbours at Mill Reef and right through Half Moon Bay. Has been an Amerindian site 2,000 years before us. They liked it and it's clear why. It's a beautiful place, had all the resources they wanted, access to the water and all the things that we admire, they clearly admired as well. So behind me is the excavations of the clubhouse, reception and arrival area for our guest. Behind that is the foundations well out of the ground of buildings 5, 6 and 7. And right up on the hill behind me, the plastered and now being primed building 4. We also see progress well on the way in the restaurant area and at the service area. So until next month, I look forward to seeing you all in March. Take care everyone.